Rubber. Okay, so to remove it, just move towards the other side. The same thing when you are putting it back. This is very flimsy. Notice on that tiny part is holding it, and that is on this side. Nothing is holding on this side. Okay, so push it that way and it comes out. Be very cautious because they are like razor blades. That one is smaller. Okay, we have this button. This button is for these cuts, and more exactly, if you push it down, it releases it. It gets it out from those cuts. Push in that button and you can slide it forward. Push in the button, you can slide it backward. So you can grab it from here with one finger and push the other one. Meanwhile, pull this one out. One, push in, pull out. That's the second, push in, pull out. That's the third and fourth and fifth. And it's shown here also. That's the thickest one. As you can see, the gap is pretty large. And down there is the thinnest one, that one. You can see here also the arrow is pointing to the thinnest one. And when you push it in and move it to the last one, now it's safe. Now it's blocked. You cannot touch the blade. Okay, so push it in, pull it down, and then you can raise it. So these two have to enter there, like so, because we have two more on the right side. So two here and two there. Okay, so let's remove it, pull it to the right and then up. I get one of these. Be very cautious because it is very sharp. Same thing, those two in the first one and the last two in the last one. Push it down, and now this one has only two cuts here, not five as this one. Now it's at the first arrow and it's slicing, and if you push it forward, now it's making cubes also. How will it make cubes? Well, you have to use this one, place it there on top as the arrows show. Don't place it this way because the blades might cut the plastic. Okay, so place it this way and then halfway to the left, cut it, and then halfway to the right and cut it. So to the left and to the right. Okay, to remove it, the same thing. Push in the button, pull it out, and then up. Okay, to store it, put back that one, push it forward. Now this one is locked. Now get the smaller one and insert it here to the sides, there, like so, and push down the other end. So that small thing has to enter there. Okay, get the large one between these 2 points and push it down. It's a bit flimsy, nothing is holding the left side. And that's it.